Oh man, they're just all over it. Yeah, you can see how shallow it is in here too. You can see all the rocks and everything. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're coming home, buddy. Can you say striper? Striper dinner. Ooh. Ooh.
You on? You on, huh?
I don't know. It keeps grabbing it and letting it go. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Yeah! That's a big one. That's a big one. Yeah. Whee! Hey, Rod! No, it's not that big.
It's a big one.
No, it's not. Oh! Quick release. So it is the hook. That's what it is.
My hands are gonna hurt tomorrow.
See, the hook is bent. That's what's going on, Mike. That's how I'm losing him. Where's my bender? Where's my bender bar? That'll work. There we go. Let me give it a little more of an angle. No, it's not that big.
It's a big one.
No, it's not. Oh! Quick release.